Hey, failures. Y'all are gonna die.
What?
Anyways, we got a total of 8 votes. First safe is Hourglass with 0 votes.
Yay!
Next safe are Ty and Headbutt with 1 vote each. So, Bombler and Blade, are y'all nervous?
Yeah.
Oh, this is going to be a guarantee save for me.
Last safe is Blade with 2 votes.
Of course I'd win.
Oh, shut up.
Oh, Bombler.
Wait, no. My head hurts. Where is everyone? What is this place?
You cut off the potential.
Who is there?
You may not know me, but I know a lot about you.
What do you want?
Evil's going to win. I can't let that proceed.
What do you mean? What the?
Okay, Stinky Binkies. Your next challenge is Prop Hunt.
What?
Okay, here's how it works. You will need to find a place to hide. I've added some bumps and curves and places to hide in. The first 2 caught will be up for elimination.
What?
Shush. I've got a timer for 2 minutes. It starts now!
Snatch.
Wait, you look like the strategic guy.
What?
I'll cut to the chase. You and me could be a powerful alliance.
And what do I get in return?
A ticket to the final 2. You in?
Just a couple more and here we go. Gotta hide. Gotta hide.
Move. Time's up. I'm coming. Too easy.
Tap. Hey!
Sorry, but that was just too easy. 1 more left. Way too easy.
Uh-oh. Run!
Let's go!
Okay, run all you want, but I will run faster.
Tap.
Gosh dang it!
Viewers, vote for either headphones or tie in the poll in the description. Whoever gets the most bye-bye votes go bye-bye.